Hello, English learners. Welcome to day 1 of your 30-day Repeat After Me Shadowing Challenge. I'm thrilled to have you here. Over the next month, we're going to systematically improve your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm, making your English sound more natural and confident. Say in a slightly more informative tone, clear and precise. Today, we're starting with the absolute basics, basic greetings and introductions. These are phrases you'll use every single day, and mastering them with native-like pronunciation is a fantastic first step. Say in an instructional tone, clear and deliberate pace. Here's how this works. You'll hear a phrase spoken clearly by a native speaker. Then there will be a pause. During that pause, I want you to repeat the phrase exactly as you heard it. Try to mimic my pronunciation, the rise and fall of my voice, and the speed. Don't just say the words. Try to become the speaker for a moment. We'll repeat each phrase a couple of times to help you really get it. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hi, how are you doing? Hi, how are you doing? Hi, how are you doing? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm doing well, thanks. I'm doing well, thanks. I'm doing well, thanks. Not bad, and you? Not bad, and you? Not bad, and you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? My name is Alex. My name is Alex. My name is Alex. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Good night. See you later. See you later. See you later. Goodbye. 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 Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Take care. Take care. Take care. How do you do? How do you do? How do you do? Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. This is Sarah. This is Sarah. This is Sarah. How have you been? How have you been? How have you been? Long time no see. Long time no see. Long time no see. Fantastic job today! You've just completed day 1 of our Repeat After Me shadowing challenge. You practiced essential greetings and introductions, focusing on clear pronunciation and natural intonation. Remember, consistency is key. Revisit these phrases throughout the day and try using them in your real-life conversations. The more you practice, the more natural they'll become. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more daily challenges, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite greeting in English. Join us tomorrow for day 2, where we'll tackle expressing thanks and apologies. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.